Hi there, this is Andreas with Express Pads Finger Drumming, and in this video I'd like to explain the mapping of the magic tone network in more detail and at the same time reveal some of the benefits of the magic tone network technique. So to do so I will just play a chord here, which is a C major. Then I will play an F major, a G major, a C sharp major, and what you see there is that I was just using the same finger set to play these chords, and the same goes for other chords as well, for example major 7 chords, and it doesn't really matter where I place my fingers because it's always a major 7. And of course later on I will tell you where the different notes are and so on, and it's very logic, you know. So but what I want to say is that the benefit of the magic tone network technique is that you need to learn certain fingerings and chord patterns just once or twice if you think about alternations of these chord fingerings. But besides that, it's really very simple to create chord progressions and melodies if you think about the fact that you can use the same chord patterns no matter where you are on the grid, on the pad grid. And if you think, for example, about the a keyboard, so when I play a C chord here, C major, then I want to play a C sharp major, then I play a different fingering, and when I go to D and play a D major, then you notice that each and every chord has a different finger set. Not so with the magic tone network, because here you always have one finger set and you can be sure that this one will always be a major chord no matter where you place it. And this one will always be a minor chord. And so on. Sus chord, major 6. And really, this way it's so super easy to create chord progressions and to feel safe and home in each and every key when you know the root notes, and we will come to this. But how does this layout work then? In order to explain that, I've just loaded the Automap software here, and when you press the View button, you will see this layout as well. And when you look at these note numbers here, you can see that the semitone distance between these pads is, when you go from bottom to top, it's always +4. So it's 4 semitones up with each and every pad that you go upwards. And that goes for each and every pad column. But when you go from left to right, and it's a bit different. So when you look at the note numbers here, you see we come from 54 and go to 61, so that's +7. But when we go from 61 to the next column, then we go to 56, and that's -5. And it repeats +7, -5, +7, -5, +7, -5. And that's the same for each and every pad row as well. And that's the magic behind the magic tone network. With this layout, when you have selected or placed the notes that I just showed you on the Automap software, the way I just did it there, then you will be able to play these chord fingerings and make your life a lot easier.